Good afternoon, Nigerians and everyone all over the world. My name is Fumilayo Apampa Adekpegba. The topic before me this afternoon is burial. What is burial? Burial is the last respect we give to the dead among the Yorubas. The last respect we give to the dead to cover his shame. When we don't respect our dead or cover his shame, we can fling the dead body by the roadside, on the garbage, beside the river or anywhere, and the dog on the street will be eating the corpse. Yes. Now, I'm dividing burial into two. I'll treat the first part today. Next week, I'll be treating the second part. The first part today is the burial of the infant and the youth. If a baby should die, or a child between 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, if he should die, the father will pick up a hoe. He will pick up a hoe, carry the corpse into the forest, dig the ground, and bury the baby. Now, if they suspect the baby is an Obanji, a child with roving spirit, a child that will give, the mother will get pregnant, give birth to the child, the child goes again, the woman gets pregnant, the baby enters the woman again, she gives birth to such a child. Such a child has a roving spirit. Before they bury such a child, they do mark them. The mother will pick up a firewood from the fire, mark the child. Usually they mark them on their forehead, their cheek, their neck, their chest, their back, their bum and their legs. That's where they normally mark them among the Yorubas before they bury such a child. If the woman should get pregnant again and give birth to such a child with the mark, they will know that, this child is back. Yes, that is how they bury an infant. Now the youth. Among the Yorubas, it is the youth that buries the youth. When a youth dies in the town, the entire town will be silent. There will be no activities. The whole town, everyone will be embittered. No one, there will be nothing like eating, cooking, or anything. No partying in the town when a youth died. You know, it's a sign. It's a bad sign. Yes, it's a very bad sign when the youth dies. The adults, the elderly ones, they will be crying. Why now, this young man? Why? What of them that are old? They're supposed to go first. The people will be crying. And let me tell you, it is the youth that will pick up his corpse, take his corpse to the burial ground and bury. There will be no activities, nothing like drinking, dancing, marrying, drumming, nothing like that. The whole town will be silent and embittered. Everyone will be crying, rolling on the ground when a youth dies. And let me tell you one thing, this kind of occurrence in the town is a bad one. Sometimes they can bury the youth with some sacrifices if they suspect anything or any evil, or the king or the baale of the town can call for cleansing of the ground. And usually it is the Oro priest they will call that will come and cleanse the land. Yes, thank you very much.